Students deserve a clear idea of what success looks like. Have you seen learning goals, success criteria and exemplars in your classroom? Exemplars, providing examples of what high quality work looks like.
And then we usually have a look at someone's assignment from the year before.
So, we teachers would use the word deconstruct there. So, we would say that we try to pull apart what is it in that assignment that matches to your marking rubric. So, is that what you're doing? Are you actually comparing it to the marking rubric at that point?
Yeah, so we compare it and we also note what they've done well and what they could have done better to help improve our own assignments.
The exemplar, do you find that helpful to see a replica of what a really good piece of work looks like?
Yeah, I do find it helpful because you can compare yours to that one and have a look to see if yours needs some improvement to get the mark you want.
With an exemplar, it must be really easy to not think any bigger than how they present the exemplar. How do you make sure that you're not just copying it in the same way?
You can refer to a lot of ones and kind of put all your ideas together.
Definitely the exemplar.
Okay, and why is that?
Because you can follow it and judge your work against the exemplar as well.
Okay, and when the teacher gives you the exemplar, are they explaining to you what it is about that exemplar which is such good work?
Yeah.
How do they do that?
Well, they'll show you what you need to do and how, if it's an old person's work, they'll show you how they've done it and compared it to how you've got to do it.
Okay, in my perfect world, the teacher would bounce from that into success criteria.
Yeah.
Is that how you generally find it works?
Yeah, that's how.
Do you find that teachers explain well why it's high quality? What is it about it? How do they do that? How do they explain
They
why
just
it's good?
they take it apart in parts. So they'll do just say it's an essay. They'll do the introduction. They'll take a part of this is what would be an A standard thing in the introduction, and then they'd go down.
I would probably use a exemplar because I could just work my way up to an A standard.
And when the exemplar is given to you in class, how does the teacher make you understand why it's high quality work? How do they, rather than just give it to you and say this is good work, how do you understand why it's good work?
Because they thoroughly go through it, and say if it was English, they would go through the techniques used and they would say why that is a standard because they've used this technique and that technique.